Hi guys, today we're going to be doing my microscope, which is pretty cool, and you're going to see it. We made sure you were going to be able to see it, so let's turn it on. I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to work it too, so that's going to be pretty cool. So first you turn it on. In the back it's kind of hard, but there we go. And when you see the light is on, there. You can turn this thing on the other side to make it brighter if you want. And then we choose what we want. Now I'm going to start with my favorite, my personal favorite, which is this. I can't read that.
It is a loosened stem, so it's basically a cross section. They cut very, very small piece of like a stem, right? A little plant.
So this is a stem.
Mm-hmm.
And so...
Why is it your favorite?
It's so colorful, just so you know what to expect.
Wait, that thing's colorful?
And just so you know, and just so you know, I've always wanted to be a physiologist. That's why I have this, and I got it from my grandpa, so let's get started. And then we move these to a side. Don't want to put too many fingerprints on that. And then put it under. All right, and all right, and then put these over it. Then move it around to make sure it's under there. And then here we go. This is the cool part. You get to focus it. This is how you focus it. So you turn these knobs here. This is what it looks like here.
Without it being focused. It's just kind of a blur of nothingness and it's not focused. Okay. Oh, I see something. There it is.
But it's not so focused.
Right, okay.
But just turn it a little bit.
Now we see. There it is.
So cool, huh? And now, it's your turn to choose, Mom.
Okay, I really like the musca leg, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's a leg of an insect, and you can kind of see it.
I think it's a fly leg.
A fly leg. Yeah, you can't really see it in the camera, but you can definitely see it once it gets in the microscope.
Now we're going to focus it again. Put these over it. And now we're going to focus it. This is what it looks like now. Can you see it?
Yeah, I see a little bit of a leg there. Yep.
That's what it looks like now. And then... Ooh, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool.
Whoa. Sorry, I'm not sure if I can get it. Ah, there we are. Very cool.
So cool.
Yeah, I like the leg.
I like the leg too. All right, and then... I don't actually know what this looks like.
It's a cotton stem, so it is also like a piece of a plant. They just cut a really, really, really thin slice of a piece of a plant.
All right, we're going to do it all over again. Well, not all over again, but pretty much all over again.
And these samples actually came with your microscope,
So here's
right?
what it looks like first. Yeah, these samples just came with it, so I didn't have to collect them.
But we've also done some collecting. What other things have we looked at through a microscope? Stuff. We looked at a feather and a piece of Iron's hair.
And now, what it looks like. Just hold it still.
That's cool. There's so many little dots.
So, that's what that one looks like. And so we've done that one. That's all. Okay, and now this one. I'm gonna get it ready for us to refocus it. Because I'm like, who doesn't like refocusing? And then this one. Lots of stems.
Another stem. Helianthus stem.
Oh my gosh. All right. This is what it looks like first. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
When you stand up like that, it makes it hard for me to see. But yeah, I see what you saw. Move. Focus it.
That's so cool. Make it grosser. All right. So cool. All right. And for the last one, I don't know what this is.
Epidermis. You know what epidermis means?
Nope.
Skin. So it's a piece of skin. So we can look at skin cells.
Cool. All right. Here's what it looks like. Not focused. Here, bring it. Where is it?
I don't know. Let me see if I can get a better angle. I can see the blue spot. Yeah. Okay.
Here's
So
what it
it's-
looks like. Not focused.
Looks like it's been dyed blue, right? Just so we can see the cells better.
And here's what it looks like. Focused. Oh, here.
It's hard to do with this camera. There it is. You can see all the little dots in the middle of each cell. I think those are the nuclei. Pretty cool, huh?
Nuclei. And bye guys. Hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our video.